Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. It is Monday, but I've just had the hardest time motivating myself with YouTube lately, and I might talk about it in another video, but this video is not about me making excuses, complaining, whinging, blah blah blah. That's not this video, so we can talk about that later. But today's video, this is going to be the vlog that I'm going to title Project Comeback, because it's Project Comeback time. Woo! So I have fallen off the wagon, obviously, with vlogs and also with my fitness. I've been to the gym. I went once last week, the week before I went 2 times, the week before that I went 2 times, because I've just been really out of sorts, really out of routine. I've been feeling mentally really good the past 2 weeks. The 2 weeks before that I was feeling really not good, so that's kind of why the vlogs fell off. But I'm not going to go into that because I cannot be bothered right now. But the main thing is that in 2 weeks I'm going to Queenstown, and I want to try my hardest to get back into routine before I go to Queenstown, because I'm going to the onsen spas and I want to look as good as I possibly can. I'm not doing a cut, particularly like harsh cut. I'm not changing my diet. I'm just trying to stay really consistent. Last week I was going to do Project Comeback then, but I ended up getting, well, having the tail end of a sickness, so that's why I only went to the gym once. But my diet was a lot better last week, apart from the weekend, which we won't talk about. I'm just in a really good place right now as far as like my mental clarity and everything goes. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of get back on here with some weekly vlog action, because my channel has been inactive for a while. Just got home from work. By the way, if this part of my lip looks weird, it's because I smashed it with a chair. Don't even ask, who knows how I smashed myself with a chair. Basically, I'm just going to relax this evening. I had a rather rough day, so the plan for today is do as little as possible. So it is Tuesday, and Corpo, if you're watching this vlog, yes, I am wearing your dressing gown. It's just so cozy. He's not home, so I'm just borrowing his dressing gown until he gets back. But it's Tuesday afternoon. I just got home. I went to the gym after work today because Corpo and I both woke up at 6:45. He normally leaves the house at 6:45. And he had to shower and everything, so it was a very hectic morning and I didn't have time to go to the gym, so I went this afternoon. And I hated every minute of it. I hate going to the gym in the afternoon, like with a burning passion. There's so many people. I'm low energy, like I hate it, so I'm definitely gonna go in the morning tomorrow. But like I said, I just got home. I just ate a lot of snacks. I had some corn chips and sour cream, and oh my god, they were so good. And I also had a protein shake, and I literally feel like stuffed, like up to here, like I'm so full. But the reason why I ate so much is because they're not there somewhere right now for probably about another hour, an hour and a half, so we won't be having dinner till late. Then I'll have at least dinner, or I'll just stuff myself with dinner as well. But yeah, I shouldn't have had the second serving of chips, and I live a mild life of regret, but that's okay. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday. Yesterday I didn't end up vlogging as much. I started streaming last night and I had like the most amazing stream, so I didn't end up vlogging afterwards because we finished at like 12. I was gonna stream for like 2 hours, ended up streaming for 5 hours, so yeah. Normally I wouldn't be vlogging this late, but I have a course today. Normally right now I'd be at school and my kids would be about to arrive, but I've got a course, so I'm going to be going to that pretty soon. But yeah, I went to the gym this morning, had a really good workout. My bum is so sore from yesterday's leg day, booty day. Oh my god, like so painful, which is a good feeling. And my abs are really sore from today. I always get really sore abs after I do like an upper body workout, which I'm sure is good because I'm like bracing my core. But yeah, I am feeling really good after going to the gym. Oh, and I'm super excited because I'm having Subway for lunch, because I can get some because I'm going to be in my course and there's Subways everywhere. Just got home from work and I got some packages, so let me show you what I got. The first one has my address on it, so if it's edited weirdly, it's because you could see my address. Okay, so this is the first one. It is my new pair of Allbirds. Super excited. Oh, they are cute. They look so small. These are the natural grey and grey ones. They're the wool runners. My last pair were the tree runners. Don't know how I feel about that grey. Oh well, I'm gonna have to like them because I bought them, but They look very cute. They are semi-expensive. They're $160, but they are like, basically, here's the deets. Really, really cool. Made from wool, recycled materials, recyclable box. I'm all about that life. And obviously the other shoe is the same. Shouldn't need to show you that. This next package came from makeup.co.nz. Don't actually know what it is. Beauty blender. Oh, it's the new blue beauty blender. So it's out right now at makeup.co.nz. Don't know how much it is. I believe they're about $30. Oh, what a cute little package. That's the blue there. It's super pretty. With some little Reese's, I mean not Reese's, Hershey's Kisses. Very cute. Thank you so much, Claire and Adrian. By the way, if I'm stuttering, I had a really long day. Now we've got a little bag of goodies from Revlon. So here are a few products from the new Color Charge range. I've got the lip powder, which I have no idea how that would work, but I've got that. I've got a little pigment here. It's a pretty shade. It's called Lilac Twinkle. You can kind of see the shade there. Excuse my camera not focusing. Got a nail polish, which I will re-gift because I do my nails. I use gels. I've got a bright pink lippy, a really pretty nude lip gloss. This looks really nice. I'm excited to give this a try. A lip liner to match the lipstick, and also looks like a liquid liner in like a taupey bronze shade. So the Color Charge collection will be available at counters from early July if you guys were interested. But yeah, thank you so much to the team at Revlon for sending me these goodies. But yeah, it's the end of the day. I am so ready to blob. Corpu just texted me and he like feels really sick and I don't feel great either, so I think we're gonna have a quiet night. Just tired. Oh god, it's freezing. Good morning guys, it's Thursday. I just had to gas up because yesterday Olivia was like, oh it's okay, I'll fill up with gas in the morning, like you know you do when you're smart and lazy. So now I had to fill up with gas in like the freezing cold, so now I'm off to the gym. So far Project Comeback is a success. I would still consider it a success even if I didn't make it to the gym tomorrow, but I know that I will. I've got like a really sore like right glute, and I can't tell if it's sore or if it's sciatica nerve pain. Today is strength day, which is just like high weight leg day essentially. So I've got that far out. It's honestly so freezing. I don't know how we're gonna do Queenstown and Dunedin in terms of temperature, but I feel like their houses are probably better equipped for the cold, whereas our house is not. I've never had a South Island winter before, so we'll see how cold it is. We're only there for like, well I'm there for just under a week and Corpu's there for like 4 days, but we'll see, we shall see. I just had like a not great workout or whatever, came out, went to go reverse my car and I didn't realise how close the car next to me was. And I must have been like a millimetre from scraping my car up the entire side of their car, because like, I'm just not focusing because I'm in a stink mood. And because they were ridiculously over the line. And yeah, I basically nearly just destroyed my car and another car, but I thankfully I saw it before I did so. But yeah, as I was just saying, my workout wasn't that great. I don't know, I'm just tired. I shouldn't have gone to the gym, but I'm glad that I went. At least I exerted some calories, but as a whole it was quite pointless because I didn't really do much. So I've just gotten ready for work, and I know I'm sitting like a weirdo, but I just wanted to show you my new Allbirds before I go to work, and they probably get dirty because this is them like blemishless and brand new. So these are my new Allbirds. They're the natural grey and grey variety, I believe, but they're so cozy and warm, and I'm bloody excited. I just need to show you guys before they get dirty. Look at them, oh my god. Making Swedish meatballs tonight. This is the recipe. It's actually from Tasty if you wanted to check it out. This is what they look like right now. I feel like I've shown you them before actually. The one time that I remember to show you something that I'm making, I'm pretty sure I've already cooked these in a vlog. It's a finished product with ugly cut open meatballs, and then that's what it actually looks like, which is even uglier, but tastes good. Good morning guys, it's Friday. last night we just played games. I think I vlogged a little bit. This morning I just could not get up for the gym. I think my new strategy for next week and from now on is as soon as I wake up I'm gonna grab my phone and start using it, because I feel like I don't wake up until I grab my phone. So I think maybe if I grab my phone earlier I'll wake up faster. But like, I'm just so tired. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you guys have any tips for like feeling more rested, please let me know. I've been eating well, I've been eating lots of food. I've been going to bed like not ridiculously late. Probably got like 7 hours sleep. 7 is usually enough for me. Like I used to survive on 6. I don't know if it's because I like worked myself up to sleeping more, and now that I'm sleeping less it's like counterproductive or something. I don't know. I'm looking at my Fitbit now. It's taking a very long time. 6 hours and 56 minutes of actual like sleep time. So I don't think that's too bad. Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I wanted to show you some of the really cool stuff that I got recently from Nothing Naughty, because I haven't talked about it yet because I've been vlogging, but Nothing Naughty is a really awesome New Zealand company. This is not sponsored. They did send some stuff to me free, but I buy stuff by myself as well, just to get that out of the way. They're a really awesome New Zealand company that makes like protein and, you know, health food products that don't have any nasties in, and they still taste really good. So they sent me a shake, like a, what's it called, like a tub of protein, and they also sent me some bars. I have also bought bars and protein myself, but I contacted them to see if they could do a discount code, and they were like, unfortunately we can't, because our products are already, like, we don't make that much on our products, so we can't do a discount, which is understandable. They're so inexpensive. But they offered to send me some stuff to share with you guys. So the first thing that they sent me was the whey protein, and it's their fat burning protein with matcha powder in it, and this is in this I was gonna say this shade, no, this is in cream caramel. I also bought it in rich chocolate, and what I would say about these proteins is that they are very, very mild tasting, in the sense that they don't have much of a taste at all. And that's because like there's no like fake stuff in here, if that makes sense. There's protein, whey protein concentrate, caramel flavor, guar gum, sucralose and matcha powder. There's no like miscellaneous flavors or like sweeteners that you can't read or anything like that. So it is very, very natural, but they're really good to put as a base and then mix other stuff in. But by themselves they are pretty bland, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but I love them because they are so natural. Like, there's barely any ingredients in them. They also sent me these, and I only have one left because I've had them for a few weeks now, but they sent me some of the beauty bars, and these basically have 7.5 grams of collagen in them. They've got a little bit of protein, nothing special. Like I think it's 4 grams of protein per bar, but I really, really like these because they are legit delicious. The flavor that I have is coconut and chia with dark chocolate. I mean, I really love these, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I would buy them specifically for the collagen. Like maybe if you were older looking for collagen, but if you just want them because they taste amazing, I'd highly recommend them. Like, they're not that many calories. If you're watching your calories, they're less than 200 calories and they taste like a chocolate bar. But yeah, I mean, I love these, but my favorite product from them, they get out of the fridge. Sorry about the steak on the bench. We're actually having black pepper beef for dinner and I'm just about to cut that up, so let's just clear some space. But my favorite product from them are their protein bars, and I just repurchased some. I buy these myself. The whole entire container I think is like either $25 or $30, and you get 12 in there, so that's like ridiculously inexpensive. It's like less than $3 a bar. And I get the pineapple ones, and they legit taste like pineapple lumps, you guys. They are so delish. I've also had the choc caramel ones, which are really good, but if you're going to spend your money on anything from them, let it be these. I mean, I love the protein too, like if you're wanting something on the more natural side of things. I know it does have sucralose in, but it doesn't have like any crazy flavors or anything like that. I love these. These are delish, like I said, but I don't know how amazing the collagen is, but they sent me these like as a little surprise and I loved eating them. But yeah, that's the stuff that I'm enjoying right now. Like I said, I've bought stuff from them myself. I actually purchased from them last year at the Fitness Expo and I fell in love. And I've been through I think like 3 or 4 boxes of these because they're so good. They're not like high protein like the Quest bars. I think these are like 15 grams of protein or something, but they're so tasty, you guys. They're like real good for sweet tooths. This is dinner in progress. It's like a little rose of bok choy. It's looking interesting, it smells interesting, and then there's the udon doing its thing. They look so cute. Hey guys, it is Saturday, it's in the afternoon. I can see people walking past my house right now and they can probably hear me talking to myself. But we're about to go out and play some Pokemon because there's an event on at the moment. So Corpo and I are going to head into the city and play. I'm wearing a very eclectically, weirdly fitnessy outfit today. We're gonna eat in the city. I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna take you guys along. I don't think I took my camera last time that we went from memory, so I'll take you guys. I don't know what we're doing, who we're playing with, if we're playing with anybody, but I'm sure we'll have fun. I'm really hungry. It's like 1 o'clock and we haven't eaten yet, but yeah, probably gonna have something really unhealthy and I'm excited about it. Healthy and nutritious lunch. Coffee's having a quick shake. Feels. Well guys, it is Sunday and as per usual I'm finishing off the vlog on a Sunday, even though Sundays are supposed to be the day that I don't vlog, but here we are. But yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to you guys for watching. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in a really long time. I hope that you guys will forgive me. I'm currently, like I said earlier in the vlog, trying to figure out what I want to do with YouTube at the moment. It's my like eternal struggle what I want to do, but anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I've decided that I'm gonna upload my weekly vlogs on Mondays because it lets me enjoy my weekend rather than having to spend like my Sunday mornings editing. It probably doesn't make that much of a difference to you guys what day I upload it, so I thought I may as well just enjoy my weekends rather than having to spend them editing, you know. I'll hopefully see you guys next week with another vlog. Bye.